If you run a business with people on the field, sales, technicians, delivery, healthcare, and you're tired of hoping they are actually working, this is the most important 3 minutes you will ever spend this week. Because we are about to show you exactly how to see where your every team member is, what they're doing, and where your money is bleeding in real time from your phone and cut your cost within the first month itself. We built EMP Monitor's Field Force Management application. It's trusted by 500 plus companies tracking 28,000 professionals worldwide. So yes, we have seen this problem solved a few thousand times. Here's the real truth. When your team's in the field, you're real blind. You're trusting that the attendance is real, that client visit actually happened, and nobody is taking a scenic route on your fuel. And it's not your fault. You have never had a way to see. So the leaks just keeps running. Padded overtime, wasted fuel, visits that never actually happened, costing you lakhs every year. EMP Monitor fixes the one root cause, that is no visibility. Here's exactly how, problem by problem. The pain: I have no idea where my team is right now. Live location tracking puts your whole team in one live app, one glance, and you know who's where. No calls, no where are you texts. The pain: they mark themselves present from the home. Geo-verified attendance means a clock-in counts only from the real and approved location. Buddy punch-in and couch clock-ins are simply impossible. Attendance becomes fact, not honor system. The pain: did the client visit actually happen? Geo-verified client visits requires a photo stamped with GPS and time. A visit only counts when they are genuinely present. So I met them boss becomes provable, not a promise. The pain: my fuel bills are really climbing and I can't explain it. Distance tracking plus geofencing auto records every kilometers traveled and auto record when someone enters or exits a site. Scenic detours and inflated travel claims actually disappear because all the numbers are now clearly visible and they are transparent. The pain: I wasted my day chasing task updates. Task management and live status lets you assign work from the dashboard and watch it move from to do to done. No follow-up messages, no guessing what's done. The pain: I have handed over the product to the client. Task photos and document uploads. Attach a signed form, a finished install, or a delivery proof to each job. The work is documented as it happens. The pain: when there's a dispute, it's my words against theirs. Detailed timeline review lets you replay anyone's entire day. Every stop and move, start to finish. No arguments, just the record. The pain: leave and attendance admin is a paperwork mess. Leave and holiday management runs requests and approvals on the same app, everything in one place. The blind spots disappear and every leak closes at once. And the results are consistent. 30% higher field productivity, 50% lower fuel costs, 1 to 2 hours saved per worker per day, and 20% better customer satisfaction. Our one client simply put that their operations got more efficient and their customer satisfaction just skyrocketed. You get all of it, the entire system, at just $5.5 per user a month. That's just few rupees a day to stop losing thousands. And you risk nothing to find out. Start your 15 days free trial, no credit card, no commitment, and setup takes literally 5 minutes. Every day you wait is another day of fuel, overtime, and missed visits you're paying for. The money is not coming back. So start your free trial now, and believe me, by tomorrow morning you will see exactly where your team member is and where the money is actually leaking.